repairing and preserving the habitats that animals need to live, from rainforests and grasslands to wetlands, lakes and rivers, will ultimately protect all of us. In Costa Rica, people are paid to preserve their land, and experts advise on how to sustainably manage and generate an income from it. Now, the country's forest cover has doubled, and ecotourism has boosted the economy. An initiative in Switzerland called Restor works like Google Maps for nature, using huge amounts of scientific data that can help users to rewild any terrestrial location on Earth. In the Democratic Republic of Congo, gorillas were often hunted by the local population and turned into bushmeat. To combat that, the Pole Pole Foundation is teaching families how to produce cheap, plant-based superfoods. Now, malnutrition rates are declining, and the local gorilla population is on the rise. The effort to protect and restore nature involves us all, and is essential if we are to ensure a fair and equal future for all life on Earth.